The same concepts for inverses can be applied as we move into cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Let's look specifically at the inverse of cosecant. If you remember from the graph of cosecant, it has asymptotes every values of pi. So there's an asymptote at pi, there's an asymptote at 2 pi, 0, and so on. So if we restrict the domain to cover just this region from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, so that it becomes a one-to-one function in that area, we can reflect it across the line, y equals x again. And again, we're just reflecting this segment and this segment. And when we do that, we see that our graph for the inverse cotangent goes from inverse cosecant goes from 1 pi over 2. And then down here, we're going from negative pi over 2, negative 1, negative pi over 2. Looking at just that portion of the graph, we can see that our domain here is going to go from negative infinity up to negative 1 in union with 1 to infinity. Our range, however, works a little differently in the sense that it goes from negative pi over 2, that's the lowest y value that we have, up to 0, but does not include 0, and then in union with 0 up to pi over 2 is the highest that it goes.